Hi, Muhammad from Best Wheels Japan here with tough tractors. Here's an Iseki TU 185. This is a 23 horsepower 4-cylinder 4-wheel drive shown here with the optional post hole digger that I have. I get these in brand new, by the way. One nice feature about this tractor is it has an automatic hydraulic adjustment for the arm. So this arm right here will go up and down just with a push of a button right there. Whoever bought this tractor brand new paid about $2,000 just for that. Really? Nice tractor, good shape, got the original seat, easy on and off just like getting on a golf cart. It's got 4 gears, 3 speeds. You can see that it's got on and off for full wheel drive. It's got a 3-speed PTO locking differential. Go ahead and start it up here. It's got the larger tires on the front. It makes it really stable. Nice shape too, by the way, good condition front. Rear. It's got 4 gears, 3 speeds. You can see that it's got on and off for full wheel drive. It's got a 3-speed PTO locking differential. Its 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled diesel engine increases both its dependability and efficiency. (71.4 cubic inches of displacement, 2.992 and 3.386 inches of bore and stroke, and a 2,500 RPM engine rating are the engine specifications. The tractor is 114.2 inches in length, 46.5 inches in width, and 54.3 inches in height. The disc harrow, its 110 centimeters working breadth guarantees rapid field coverage and effective soil preparation. These discs are made of high-quality, long-lasting materials, and their simple connection method makes them ideal for small tractors. The customizable depth and angle settings of the disc harrow allow for personalized operation, making it perfect for preparing fields for planting.